Hello, my reading friends. Today we are going to read Bird Singing, Bird Winging by Marilyn Singer. Let's start. Bird up at sunrise, singing. Bird getting hungry, winging. Bird on a tree trunk, tapping. Bird at a flower, lapping. Bird in a barnyard, scratching. Bird by the river, catching. Bird in the grassland, walking. Bird in the playroom, talking. Bird in the ocean, diving. Bird on the ice, surviving. Bird in the air, playing. Bird in the zoo, displaying. Bird with 4 eggs, tending. Bird with 4 chicks, defending. Bird by a mud flat, preening. Bird in a birdhouse, cleaning. Bird in a late summer, waiting. Bird in the fall, migrating. The end. I hope you love these books, friends. See you next time. Bye bye.